This is a project developed in LangGraph, an extension of LangChain. The idea behind this project is actually to automate GitHub issues. We do have a lot of the issues open on the GitHub, right? So what I want is to leverage the power of AI to handle this job. Like we give this project a issue ID, the repository description like the owner and the repository, right? And then we let this project to handle the issue and automatically create a PR or post a comment to the GitHub issue discussion, right? So for instance, I have this one. So in order to keep it simple, what I've done is like for some agents I already have given the response which I already received from the LLM in order to just speed up the demo, right? So for example, I does receive this response from the LLM, but I have added that here just to the speed up the demo, just to speed up this demo video, right? And similarly you can see here this one as well. So we do have a lot of the nodes here, like one is the pull issue which actually pull the issue, then triage which actually does some classification like what is the type of issue, the severity like low, medium or a high, some description, etc., right? Then we have a summarize comments agent which actually takes in the issue discussion and then summarize. So we don't want all the GitHub issues this comment. Instead, we just want to have a summary of what's going on there, just to give a context to the LLM to give us some better solutions. Then we do have search relevant files agent. So what actually this does is actually we does have a local clone of that repository. So you can see here we have a local clone of that repository just to reduce the cost of the tokens, not to basically hand over this huge job to the LLM to search, and give us some relevant files, right? So we have this node, then we have repository analysis agent node, then we do have a web search node, right? And basically what it actually does is do some sort of web search across Wikipedia, Stack Overflow and other GitHub issues for the similar issues, right? And then we have merge search results node. This actually does a job which basically we have some results from the web search, we have some results from the GitHub, we have some the repository local clone, then we basically merge all this to get a final merge result, right? And then we also have a Tavily search, like similar to web search we do have the Tavily search, and then web search summarization agent as well. So once basically we get the result from web search and Tavily search, we do some summarization as well. Then there is a planner agent which actually plan how to solve this issue. Then there is a coder agent, then there is a reviewer agent which actually review the output of the coder agent. Then there is a generate PR and then publish comment, right? So this actually is done based on the the branch decision, right? The routing decision. So for instance, if I just run this one, right? And the idea then we have CP server here, right? Then we have a repository which does have some repository related function. We have some schemas for the lang graph, and then we have this one MD format. This basically a coder agent output, and then there is a reviewer agent output there, which is the slash review, right? So then we do have this main file index.py, right? And this basically is the main entry file for this project, right? And yeah, so this one is done, right? So if we take a look here, let's see. So this one is the issue. So I hope yeah, so you can see here this one already has added some comments to this one, right? And this one is the summary, key finding, recommendations. This is just I guess this one is the old comment, but this must have created a PR here. So I will see a PR pull request. Yeah, this one, use translations for default, and yeah, PR successfully created, and here is the PR link. Yeah, this one is the PR just created, right? So this one has made one change in the file, right? And then there is some information added to the summary, key finding, recommendation, changes to the file, right? So this agent does a very smart job, right? So we don't have to manually solve all the GitHub issues. So this is the idea behind this project. I hope all is clear, and if there is anything missing, I can clear up in the meeting, right? Thank you.